Okay students, you can see in this video I will discuss with you all numerical portion of your conservation of momentum. Clear? By the conservation of momentum we can understand initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Okay, this is the conservation law. Okay, read the statement. A rifle of mass 3 kg fires a bullet 0.03 kg. The bullet leaves the barrel of the rifle at a velocity of 100 meter per second. If the bullet takes 0.03 second to move out of the barrel, calculate the force experienced by the rifle due to the recoil. Okay or not? Okay, so simple one thing I'm telling. We have this is a rifle. This is a rifle. Okay, clear? The bullet are present inside it initially, first position, without applying the trigger, without applying a force on the trigger. We will discuss about the momentum. We know that mass of the, we can say mass of the bullet, that is capital M, or mass of the bullet, that is what, small m. Clear? Means mass of the velocity, mass of the initial mass of the gun means rifle, that is UG, or bullet is UB. Okay, so initial momentum, find out initial momentum. Initial momentum is what? Capital M, that is velocity of bullet UG, plus mass of bullet, velocity of bullet. So you know that mass velocity of a gun initially is what? 0, and mass of a bullet is equal to 0. So we can say we will get 0. So initial momentum, we can say it is equal to 0. Okay or not? Okay. Come on the statement second. A rifle of mass 3 kg fires a bullet 0.03 kg. So we can say in second case of fires, we can say fire will come. So on that time we can say the mass of a bullet, capital M, is given how much? Mass of the gun 3 kg. How much? 3 kg. Or small m, mass of the bullet, how much it is given? 0.03 kg. Okay, the bullet leaves the barrel of the rifle of a velocity of 100 meter per second. So we can say, means velocity of bullet which comes out is equal to what? V is equal to how much? We can say 100 meter per second. This is the velocity of what? This is the velocity of bullet. Clear? And you can say next, if the bullet takes 0.03 second to move out of the barrel, then calculate the force experienced. So we have to find out here force. Clear? Or time is given how much? 0.03 second. Okay, so this means first of all we have to find out what? Velocity of a gun. So we can say we have to find out velocity of a gun. How much velocity it will get when it will move backside, it will come backside. Okay or not? Okay, yes or no? So this is velocity of bullet. Final velocity we will denote it by V. So we know that same final momentum we will find out. Final momentum is equal to what? Mass of bullet, velocity of mass of gun means rifle, and mass of what? Velocity of gun. Okay, plus same thing we can say here, what? Same thing we will use here, mass of the bullet and velocity of the bullet. Clear? Mass of the gun given 3 into what? VG we have to find out, plus VG we have to find out or not? Yes. The mass of the we can say that is a bullet, how much? That is 0.03 kg into velocity of the bullet, that how much? 100. Okay or not? Okay, so this final momentum, this is initial momentum. So we know that final momentum by conservation law, final momentum is equal to initial momentum. Final momentum is equal to initial momentum. Then you can write 3 into Vg, that is plus we will get by it how much? After multiplying we will get here 3. How much we will get? That is equal to 3 we will get. Multiply it now here with 100, and this one is equal to 0. So we can say 3 into Vg equal to minus 3, and Vg equal to minus 3 divided by 3, we will get minus 1. So we can say velocity of gun in backside how much? Minus 1 meter per second. Negative is given because it is opposite direction velocity, opposite direction. So we can say this is our rifle, means with 100 meter per second bullet will come out. Clear? Backside we will get minus 1 meter per second the velocity of gun. Clear? But he is asking here about the force. He is asking about the force. Okay or not? Okay. Means where we have to find the force experienced by the rifle. Means on rifle we have to find out. On rifle. So we will take velocity of rifle only. Clear? So we know that initial velocity of rifle is what? 0. So we know that for finding force is equal to what? Mass into acceleration. And we can say mass acceleration is what? V minus u upon is what? Time. So mass m, velocity v of gun, means rifle we can say. Gun also no problem. So initial velocity equal to 0 upon time. Mass given how much? Mass of the tell me there, mass of the this rifle is given how much? 3. Velocity how much? Minus 1 upon time 0.03 second. 0.003. One more 0 also you can say. 0.003. Okay, then we can say how much we will get. This is minus 3, or decimal gives upside how much? 1000 upon 3. 3 to 3 cancel out, we will get minus 1000 Newton. This is the force. Means minus means opposite direction. 1000 Newton force feels this rifle in opposite direction because negative part is coming. So this is the simple solution of this numerical. Okay student, second numerical. This question also very simple question. We can see here a bullet. This is the question number 2. A bullet mass of 10 kg. So bullet mass is given 10 kg is fired from a rifle. The bullet takes 0.003 second to move through the barrel and leaves it with a velocity of 300 meter per second. What is the force exerted on the bullet by the rifle? One thing, listen. Simply he is talking about the bullet. He is not talking about the gun. So we will not take a formula of conservation. So we don't need here to find their initial momentum and the final momentum. We will talk about only gun. Right? Gun means only bullet. Clear? So bullet configuration we will write here. Listen also. Clear? So a bullet mass of 10 gram is fired from a rifle. So mass of a bullet given, mass of a bullet means m, is given how much? 10 gram. So first of all convert in SI system, divide it by 1000. So you will solve all question in SI system only. 0.01 kilogram. Okay or not? Okay. After that the bullet takes 0.03 second to move through the barrel. जो barrel है उसके अंदर से वो it is taking 0.03 second. Time is given how much? 0.003 second. Okay, to move through the barrel and leave it with a velocity of bullet is given how much? Tell me. 300 meter per second. Then what is the force exerted on the bullet by the rifle? ठीक है, तो means we have to find out force exerted by the bullet. So we have to find out force of bullet only. Clear? So we know that mass V minus U upon T. We are talking about bullet na, तो MB VB minus UB equal by T. Or we know that initial velocity UB. Initially you know that bullet will not come out, so initial velocity of bullet equal to 0. So we can say MB, this is 0, so we can write VB upon that is T. Clear? So tell me about mass 0.01 and velocity of a bullet. Velocity of bullet is what? 300. This is already in SI system. 300 upon time is equal to what? 0.003. Okay or not? Okay. So solve it, we will get how much? Listen, 100 will come downside, 1000 will move upside. So remove decimal, we will get this 100, or this decimal gives us what? 1000. So this is in multiplication 300 upon what? 3. To cancel out 20 to 20 here, 3 to we will get what? 100. So 100 into 10 we will get how much? 1000 Newton. So that much force value we will get here, means 1000 force exerted. Because we have a bullet, we have this gun. The bullet is there. When bullet will come out na, so it will apply on this, means we can say, means like how much force applied by the rifle on the bullet. So means rifle applied force on the bullet, that is 1000 Newton. That much force it will apply on the bullet, and bullet will feel there 1000 Newton force in the opposite direction. But we will not talking about the rifle, means bullet. We are talking here about the bullet only. We are not talking about here about the gun, or means we can say that is the rifle. We are talking here about the bullet only. The bullet will come out with a force of 1000 Newton in the forward direction. Okay, this is a simple numerical. Understood? Question number 3. Okay, this is the new statement of third question. You can see two body A and B of masses 2 kg and 5 kg. Means we have two body, masses of them 2 kg and 5 kg, right? Are at rest initially both body are at rest. First of all, draw here like that. We have this is our first body, this is our second body, right? Mass of first body, you can see the MA, mass of second body MB. Mass of first body is given here how much? Mass of first body is given here 2 kilogram. Mass of second body is given 5 kilogram. Both are initially at rest. So velocity of initial velocity of UA equal to 0 and B equal to 0. Bachche, try to do all things according to the concept only, according to the demand of the question. Clear? You can see here next thing. Because of the force of attraction applied by them on each other, so we can say both body can be like a magnet only. So we can say both body will attract to each other. Okay, the body started moving after some time. Body A is towards to be moved towards right. Means we can say towards, we can say yes, two bodies started moving after some time. Body A is towards to B and move B towards right with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second. What is the velocity of B at that moment? Okay, so he is saying here that body A is moving towards B and B is moving towards A with a velocity of 0. Means A is moving. So we can say saying that the body started moving after some time. Body A is found to move towards right with velocity of 0.5 meter per second. What is the velocity of B at that moment? So we have to find out velocity of B. Means he is saying that again now both body will attract to each other. Means simply we can, this body attracting towards this body attracting towards this. This is body A or this body is B. So mass will remain same. Mass of this body remains same 2 kg. Mass of second body is equal to 5 kg. Okay, so he is saying that body A moving with a velocity of 0.5 meter per second towards B. Clear? So we can say this is velocity of VA, final VA towards it, and velocity of B we have to find out. Okay, so we can say this initial position is a final. So for it we have to do law of conservation of momentum. Initial momentum equal to final momentum. Okay, so first of all find out initial momentum. Okay, initial momentum is equal to what? The mass of a first body, that is MA UA plus MB UB. Okay or not? Okay, so we can say here MA is what? MA is given to, this is 0, 5, this equal to 0. So initial momentum is equal to 0. Okay, find out final momentum. Clear? So final momentum is equal to what? MAVA minus MBVB. Now you are thinking that why negative sign is coming here. You can see this body is moving in this side, or this body is coming opposite direction. So due to its opposite direction, we will take it as a negative, right? So we can say here MAVA minus MBVB. Then we know that its mass 2, velocity 0.5. So its mass 5 minus VB we have to find out. So we will get here how much? 0.5 into that is equal to how much? That we will get 1 minus, or this is 5. 5 means we can say 5 VB. Clear? So we can say initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So right here initial momentum is equal to final momentum. 0 is equal to 1 minus 5 VB. To find out VB value, 1 minus 5 VB equal to 0. Then minus 5 VB equal to minus 1. Then VB is equal to minus to minus cancel out, 1 upon 5, then 0.2 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, means body A, body B will move in this direction with the velocity of 0.2 meter per second. Okay, if you will not negative sign here, so you will get in answer you are in negative form. So this negative form will tell us that it is coming in the opposite direction of the body A. Okay or not? Okay, so we can say simply all those things which we have given their initial form and the final form. So we will take here law of conservation of momentum. So this is your third numerical. So we will come on the fourth numerical. This question also can be very important. Listen, a 40 kg scatter moving at a 4 meter per second eastward, right, collides head on with a 60 kg scatter traveling at a 3 meter per second westwards. If two scatter remains in contact after collision, what is the final velocity? What is the final velocity? Listen one thing, scatter, you know very well what is the meaning of scatter. One thing, this is our first scatter, right, and this is our second scatter, right. So we can say one is moving towards east, second is moving towards west. Okay, both are in opposite direction moving together. So we can say this is a number one, this is second scatter. So mass of first scatter is equal to how much? 40 kg, and velocity of first scatter that is given, you can see here now, well, that is initial 4 meter per second, UA 4 meter per second. Okay, so you can write here first scatter mass is equal to what? 40 kg, and initially he is moving with the velocity of 4 meter per second. Okay, come on the second point, 60 kg scatter traveling with a 3 meter per second. Second scatter, yes, mass of second scatter that is 60 kg, and velocity of second scatter UA initial, second how much? 3 meter per second. Find out initial momentum. Initial momentum is equal to what? M mass first scatter, velocity of first scatter, plus mass of second scatter, velocity of second scatter. Right here as same like it. So we can say 40 into what? 4, or that is what? 60 into 3. And one thing I'm telling, 40 into 4, 60 into 3. And one thing I'm also telling, listen, this scatter moving east direction, this scatter moving in opposite means west direction. For it we will take negative, for it we will take positive. East direction person will give us positive one, and second one will give us negative side. So we will write this one will be negative. Okay or not? Okay, later I'm writing this one for understanding only. You can say we will get 160 minus 180. How much we will get? Minus 20 meter per second. Minus 20 meter per second. He is saying that if the two scatter remains in contact after collision, they will remain in contact. Jesse, they will collide together na, so they will remain in contact together like this. Listen, like this they will remain in contact, right? Means they will not move, simply they will stuck at one point only. So we can say velocity of both will be what? V. So final velocity will remain same. So we will get for final momentum means for first scatter that is m first, its velocity v. For second scatter m second, velocity v, because velocity will become constant same. So we can say m first m second, take v common. So we can do m first is equal to what? 40, second 60, that is v. We will get how much? 60v. Okay or not? Okay student, yes or no? Clear to you all? So this is a simple one. So same thing you will take here, for initial momentum and the final momentum. Clear? You know that initial momentum is equal to final momentum. So initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Initial momentum is equal to how much? Minus 20. Final momentum is equal to 60. Clear? So we can write v is equal to not 60, that is 40 plus 60, that is 100. Clear? So we can say this is equal to 100. To find out v, minus 20 upon 100. Minus 20 divided by 100. So we will get here how much? Minus 0.2 meter per second. So final velocity will be here 0.2 2 meter per second minus means they will stuck together na. So on that time what will happen, listen one thing, we have a big ball, small ball. When big ball collide with small ball, so this big ball will take this small ball along with in the same direction, so its velocity becomes 0. So its velocity that much we will get na, it will remain same. Okay or not? Okay, so both ball will stuck together and both will move in the same direction with the same velocity after collision. So we will get a v will be the same velocity. So we can say minus 0.5 second na 0.2 second. So we can say both person will stuck together and will move in the same direction, opposite direction, that is the 0.2 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, negative sign is showing that opposite direction means towards west. Both person will stuck together means joint in contact together. So when this body velocity will be more, collide with it, so means this body will take this body in the same direction with the same velocity. So we can say final velocity will remain same. Okay student, any doubt now? Next, this numerical is totally same with the previous numerical. Same thing, we can say two body A and B of mass is 2 kg and 10 kg respectively, moving in opposite direction, collide head on. The velocity of A and B just before the collision is 10 meter per second, 2 meter per second respectively. Clear? What is the final velocity of the two blocks stick after colliding? Clear? So we can say we have a block 1, the second block, both are moving in same direction, head on same direction. Clear? The mass of first block, that is 2 kg, mass of second block, that is 10 kg. Okay, so this is the initial velocity A. B initial velocity is given how much for this body, that is 10 meter per second, or its velocity, that is 2 meter per second. First body, that is 10 meter per second, and second body, that is 2 meter per second. So why same thing we will do, initial momentum, mass of body A, initial momentum, mass of body A, that is 2 kg, velocity of body A, that is what, 10 meter per second. Same thing, mass of a first body, that is how much, 10 kilogram, and velocity of first body, second body, that is what, 2 meter per second. Find out initial momentum. You can see direction in this positive, its direction of positive means we can take that is the negative direction. Okay, then find out initial momentum. Initial momentum is equal to what? Initial momentum is equal to what? MA UA plus MB UB, but direction is opposite na, then we can take that is what, 2 into how much, 10, this will be negative, velocity will be negative, that is 10 into 2, so we will get 20 into 20, 20 minus 20, this is equal to 0 meter per second. When both body will stuck to each other na, it means that after colliding both bodies will join together like this, तो वही बॉडी उसी डायरेक्शन में मूव करेगा जिसका वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा होगा. मान लेते इसका वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा, इसका कम है, तो ये इसको साथ अपने साथ चिपका के उसी डायरेक्शन में ले जाएगा, तो दोनों की वेलोसिटी के साथ मूव करेंगे ना, तो लास्ट फाइनल वेलोसिटी विल रिमेन सेम इन बोथ केसेस. तो वी कैन से फाइनल मोमेंटम विल बी व्हाट, फाइनल मोमेंटम विल बी व्हाट, हाँ सेम, मास ऑफ फर्स्ट बॉडी, yes, final velocity of second body, this will remain same, mass of second body, velocity of first body will remain same, velocity will remain same in both cases, that is ma mb, that is it is equal to v. क्लियर? तो वी कैन से देखो यहाँ पे इनिशियल मोमेंटम अगर जीरो हो जाता है तो मोमेंटम ही जीरो हो गया, तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी तो अपने आप ही जीरो हो जानी है, बट वी विल प्रूव इट. दिस इज हाउ मच, दिस इज इट्स मास हाउ मच 2 प्लस सेकेंड बॉडी मास हाउ मच 10, velocity will remain same. तो initial momentum is equal to final momentum, तो 2 plus 10 this is equal to v and equal to 0, तो v equal to 0 upon 10 plus 2 12, 0 meter per second, then final velocity will be equal to 0 meter per second. Okay or not? Okay, तो we can say final velocity of the body 0 meter per second, so nothing will move in this side also, in this side, both will remain at our rest position, in same position. Okay, very important thing, last one I'm telling of this chapter, that is impulse. Impulse simply we can say in the case of impulse means force into time is equal to change in momentum. We can say impulse follows their Newton's second law of motion. We can see here change, देखो listen, we know F directly proportional to what? change of momentum upon time, rate of change of momentum, this one. Okay or not? Okay, so we can take that is k delta p upon delta t, right? Or k is equal to, we can put here for air, so we can say f is equal to what, delta p upon delta t. T moves another side, so we can say delta p is equal to f into delta t, right? Or delta p is equal to what, change in momentum. Change in momentum means final momentum minus initial momentum equal to f into delta t. Okay or not? Okay, so this is the basic explanation of the impulse. Okay or not? Okay, students. Okay, if we will talk about unit of it, so you can say momentum, change in moment, this is impulse. The unit of it, what, force is what, Newton, or time is second. The unit of SI system, that is what, Newton per second. Or CGI system, you can say that is what, dyne per second. Okay, so both units we can include. So this is the basic explanation of numericals and impulse. Okay or not? Okay, so I have explained here everything related to this chapter. If you will get any doubt, so simply you can write in the comment box. Okay, student, God bless you all.